Hey everybody, Randall here again, and this fixture is used for balancing motorcycle wheels, and I'm going to show you how this thing works. I've used balancers like this in the past for balancing my quadcopter and airplane propellers, and I just bought this yesterday at Harbor Freight because I've been wanting to check the balance of my wheels. I've already done my back one. So now I'm going to do the front one. And how this works is you put this axle through the wheel and you cinch it down real tight, and then you turn the wheel, and the heavy side of the wheel will drop to this point. You put a corresponding weight on the light side, and eventually you'll get it to balance out. So here's how it works. These cones are held on with Allen screws. I'm going to take this front wheel here and slip that axle through the bearing. Slip this fixture in here. I'll let this sit down like that so I can get it good and tight. Okay, now I'm going to turn this fixture sideways so you can see what this does. Okay, now as you can see, that wheel is starting to turn, and it will turn until the heavy side stops at the bottom. Okay, the heavy side looks like it's right there at the valve stem, so I'm not going to mark it. You can mark the heavy side with tape if you want, but I'm not going to do that. Doesn't appear that I'm going to have to. And these weights just stick on the rim, and I'm going to put one up here to start with, and these weights are 1/2 ounce weights. Okay, now I'm going to turn that so the previous heavy spot was over here. We'll let go of it. It appears that I don't have quite enough weight on here, so I'm going to put one more on the back side here, because anytime you put more than one weight on, you should put them on opposite sides of the rim from each other. Okay, now I'm going to turn this to 90 degrees. And it's looking like it's pretty darn close. Now I should be able to turn this, if it's perfectly balanced, at just about any point. Now see, it's not turning at all. So I'd say I have her pretty well set. It's a really simple means of balancing wheels. It's what you would call static balancing instead of dynamic. Dynamic balancing is where it's balanced in a machine that spins the wheel, and that's truly the best way to balance a wheel. But with motorcycle wheels, this situation seems to be more than adequate. So there you go. That's how you balance a motorcycle wheel.